Alright, what's going on, people? Here today with another breakdown reassembly from P.I.H.I.G Defense. Gonna be breaking down a Smith & Wesson 40, SD40. Okay, first thing I want to do is identify the important buttons and levers that we're gonna be using when breaking down this firearm. So right here we have a magazine release button, slide stop, and detaching levers. Is one on each side of the firearm. So next, I'm gonna make sure it's clear. So pressing on my magazine release button, slide, check magazine clear, get that out of the way. Gonna rotate the firearm so I can look in the window, pulling my slide back, check and see, clear. Okay, coming back. Gonna push up my slide stop and pulling my slide back, I can look in there and make sure it is clear. All right, next, we're gonna be taking the slide off. So we're gonna pull on our detaching levers down, pulling our slide stop, and squeezing the trigger. All right, recoil spring guide, barrel, and slide, and we're done. Now, putting it back together, grab your slide, hold that down, get your barrel, drop that in there, get it in the right way. Okay, recoil spring, get that in there, little notch. Okay, come back, line it up, get your frame, and you're done. Like what you see, like, share, subscribe.